If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To change the settings used by the Outlook for Microsoft 365 desktop app for PDF conversion and also set up automatic conversion and archiving of messages, click the Change Conversion Settings button in the Preferences button group on the Acrobat tab of the ribbon to open the Acrobat PDF Maker dialog box and show its Settings tab. This dialog box contains a Settings, Security, and Automatic Archival tab. So, alternatively, to open this same dialog box and show the Automatic Archival tab, click the Set Up Automatic Archival button in the Archive button group on the Acrobat tab of the ribbon. This lesson examines changing the PDF conversion settings and automatic archival preferences in this dialog box. To set the PDF compatibility level for PDF creation in Outlook, select a choice from the Compatibility drop-down in the PDF Maker Settings section on the Settings tab. If possible, Adobe recommends using the most recent version to ensure access to the most recent features and functions in Acrobat. To choose if Acrobat includes email attachments, select either Include All Attachments in the Adobe PDF to include all message attachments in the PDF files, or select Do Not Include Attachments in the Adobe PDF to not include attachments in the resultant PDFs. Then check or uncheck the following checkboxes in this section to enable or disable each setting. To show the PDF file after conversion in Acrobat, check the View Adobe PDF Results checkbox. To ensure new PDFs are created as PDF portfolios versus pages in a standard PDF, check the Output Adobe PDF Portfolio when creating a new PDF file checkbox. If checked, to then exclude the email's Outlook folder name in the PDF portfolio, check the Do Not Include Folder Name Information checkbox. To embed an index of characters and text to more quickly search for content in a PDF portfolio, check the Embed Index for Faster Search checkbox. To block external content like images, CSS, and JavaScripts, check the Block Download of External Content checkbox. To enable PDF accessibility, check the Enable Accessibility and Reflow with Tagged Adobe PDF checkbox. To select a preset page size to use for converting PDFs, select a choice from the Page Size dropdown in the Page Layout section. Alternatively, to specify a custom page size, enter values in inches into the width and height fields. To set the page orientation, select either the Portrait or Landscape option button for the orientation setting. To set page margins, type values in inches into the top, bottom, left, and right fields under the Margins setting. To set the number of recently created PDF portfolio archives to show in the drop-down menus that appear when you click the Selected Messages and Selected Folders buttons in the Acrobat tab of the ribbon, type a value into the Show This Number of Recent Archives spinner box in the Other section. To set security settings if needed, click the Security tab to set the default security level for new PDFs in Outlook. We'll examine security settings in detail in the chapter titled Document Protection and Security later in this tutorial. To enable automatic archiving of selected Outlook folders on a regular basis, click the Automatic Archival tab. Then check the Enable Automatic Archival checkbox in the Automatic Archival Settings section. To set the frequency with which to archive messages, select either the Daily, Weekly, or Monthly option button for the frequency setting. If you select Weekly, then use the adjacent drop-down to choose the desired day of the week. If you choose Monthly, then select the desired day of the month to perform the archiving from the adjacent drop-down. To specify the time of day to perform archiving, enter it into the Run At field. To maintain a log of the automatic archiving, check the Maintain Log of Archival checkbox. To create the archive log file and choose where to save it, click the Choose File button to open the Save Log File As dialog box, select a save location, type a name for the log file into the file name field, and then click the Open button in the dialog box to set the log file. To embed an index into the archive for faster searching, check the Embed Index for Faster Search checkbox. To then select the folders to automatically archive, click the Add button in the Choose Folders for Automatic Archival section. In the Convert Folders to PDF dialog box, then select the folders to automatically archive. To also convert all subfolders of selected folders, check the Convert this folder and all subfolders checkbox at the bottom of the dialog box. When finished, click the OK button to open the Save PDF Archive File As dialog box to navigate to and then select an existing archive file to use, or select a location and type a name for a new archive file into the file name field. When finished, click the Open button to add the checked folders to the Choose Folders for Automatic Archival section. If needed, you can then repeat this process to add other selected folders to this list. To delete a folder you added, select the folder in the list and then click the Delete button below the list. Then click the Yes button in the confirmation message box that appears. To change the PDF portfolio archive file to which Acrobat archives a folder, select the folder to change, and then click the Change Archive File button below the list to open the Save PDF Archive File As dialog box. Then navigate to and select a different archive file to use, or select a location and type a name for a new archive file into the file name field. When finished, click the Open button to switch the archive file for the selected folder. To apply any changes to the PDF conversion settings or the automatic archiving of folders in Outlook, click the OK button within the Acrobat PDF Maker dialog box to apply the new settings. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.